Hello again to all of my beautiful designers. Today's DIY video is going to be a revamp of my previous bedroom backdrop wall. It's also going to be a part 2 from our Trash to Glam series. And before we jump into it, I have took the liberty to give you guys a little list of a few things that you're going to need to start this DIY. Different size boxes, fabric, swatches, ribbon and bling, HTV logos or quotes, heat press or an iron, and a glue gun. Hey everybody, it's by Michelle Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on a backdrop that I am going to put on the back of my wall where my bed is. This is going to kind of be like a revamp because it's something that I've already had previously. I don't know who's calling me when I'm recording, but we're going to be using boxes, okay? I'm going to be using boxes. I'm going to cover these boxes with materials. I'm going to then decorate the boxes with ribbons, and I've got some words and sayings here. I've also got some stuff that I've cut out with my Cricut heat press, of course, because we are using material, so it's going to make it super easy. I've got my mini heat press right here, which is what we're going to use. The boxes that we're going to be using, I've got, this was on sale at, I don't even remember where, but I got it super cheap. So this, I'm also going to be using, like I said, a lot of stuff that is basically trash, probably. These came years ago or something. This was actually a canvas that I had cut like a CT out of. I'm going to recover that and use that. So basically this is going to be a part 2 to our From Trash to Glam series that I did a while back. Hopefully you guys got to watch that. If you didn't, go check it out. Vanity table, and this is how we took trash to glam. Cool. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a backdrop. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me work. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our boxes. We're gonna get our fabric. I'm gonna use my heat press to kind of knock the wrinkles out. And here's my fabric swatches. And you guys, I purchased these fabric swatches at Walmart, okay? And just a couple, like half a yard or something of the other 2 fabrics that you see right there. Pretty cheap. I think the fabric swatches were like $1 a piece. So really quickly, I'll tell you guys, the colors that I'm doing in my bedroom, it's kind of a lot, but it actually looks really nice. It's black, white, my, teal, turquoise, whatever, my favorite color. And there's like a splash of yellow. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna do the yellow yet. I haven't really made up my mind yet. The yellow was on the previous, when I lived in the previous house that I had. So I just wanted to tell you guys that. I have a box here that has a bunch of different ribbons, my bling boxes. It's a mess right now. It's actually the same one that I used when I made my, when I did the video on my Chanel Christmas ornaments, which if you didn't go check that out, you gotta check it out because it's pretty cool. Okay, I've already got this box covered. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this ribbon that I believe I got on Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the end off, and I'm gonna use my lighter to make sure that the end of the ribbon doesn't fray. Okay, that's a great pro tip, you guys. Just don't set yourself on fire. And when you guys are designing, just remember that there is no right or wrong when it comes to this. You are the designer, so whatever you do is fine. Just do whatever comes to your brain. So you guys see I added the ribbon. Now I'm going to add a little bit of bling on the other side of it. And once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add, remember I told you guys that I have some HTV words and sayings. So this one, it says fashionista, and it's actually in a leopard HTV print, okay? So I'm just going to make sure my heat press is heated up. I'm going to line it up where I want it to be, and it's not going to take but a few seconds, okay? I'm just going to go all across the words so that they adhere to the fabric. Okay, and most of the HTV that I use is a cold peel, so I'm going to set that to the side so that it can cool off before I take off the transfer sheet. And we're going to start working on our next box. This is the old canvas that I had cut a CC out of, so I'm just going to go ahead and cover it with material. And we are going to bring on the bling now. And you guys, I did get this on Amazon. I will definitely leave the link down in the description box. This stuff is awesome. I'm going to use my heat gun. I did decide to add a touch of yellow and gold, okay, to the stuff that I'm making. I just feel like it's so pretty with the turquoise and the black. And I'm doing a little touch of gray as well. So I added some thin gold rope ribbon that I believe I got at the Dollar Tree, and now I'm going to add some silver chains, and of course I got these on Amazon as well. We're going to be adding words to this one as well. I'm going to add this Dior that I had cut out. It's just on plain black HTV. And you guys know that my children always bug me when I'm recording, so say hello to my oldest son, Khalil.
Used to be playing with it like a female.
Sorry about that, y'all. Y'all know we are so goofy. This is a box that I covered with some striped fabric, and I have this Chanel HTV that is, I think it's also in leopard print. Okay, so I'm just adding that to this box. And you guys remember I said that any boxes will work for this. So this is an old phone box that I'm using right here. You see I just ripped the top off of it, covered it with material. And I added Gucci to this one.
Yes, honey.
And I forgot to tell you that the best way to add your fabric to the boxes is kind of like if you're wrapping a package, you're just going to fold it over, just like if you're gift wrapping, okay? It's the easiest way to make the fabric stay down, and then you're just going to use your hot glue gun like you would Scotch tape. So this box, I'm just adding the striped ribbon, the striped fabric to. I'm adding some black silk ribbon, I believe, and I'm going to add some yellow honeycomb ribbon that I believe I also got off of Amazon. You guys can also find this very cheap glitter. I believe it's like glitter tape, also on Amazon. Okay, they have it in gold and silver. It's pretty good. On the fabric, it doesn't stick as well, so I think I did end up having to go back and kind of use a little bit of hot glue to tack it down. But just be careful because it's super thin and the hot glue will like melt right through it. before we go any further, if you are a member of my community, I would just like to say thank you to you. And if this is your first time tuning in, I would like to encourage you to please click that subscribe button. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And you guys, please stay tuned to the end of this video to see a sneak peek of the next DIY video. Okay guys, and I have another box that I covered here with the stripes. I love the stripes and the honeycomb. Clearly I'm adding some chains. I've added some bling to this one as well. And in order for this to look right on the wall, you guys, just make sure that you guys use all different kinds and sizes of the boxes. They need to be different width and length and also depth. And I'm doing something a little bit different this time with this wall that I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and add my custom logo on a couple of the boxes, so you can see my Michelle Designs logo there that I've added to that. I also decided to add my custom hashtag that I've actually been using for years, you guys. Every 1,000 or so posts that are on Instagram are all mine of this hashtag, even though I couldn't purchase it. They won't allow me to buy it as of yet. And if you guys are interested, I do have some clothing that you guys can purchase on my online shop with this glitter hashtag. It is super cute. I put it on shirts, hats, all kind of fun stuff. And that is about it, you guys. I am going to show you guys a close-up of what each one of the boxes that we made today look like. I did make a last minute decision to add these eyes. I did these eyes using heat press on some plain canvases. So you guys will see these eyes on the finished look. A great tip, you guys, is to lay your boxes out on a bed or a table before adding them to the wall, okay? And to put these boxes on the wall, I did start with trying to use command strips, but they weren't strong enough, so I did end up using some thumbtacks and some nails. You guys can choose however you want to adhere the boxes to the wall. Okay, so like I said, there were some last minute changes, and you guys can see this is actually the finished product. I think it came out beautiful, you guys. I absolutely love it. I would definitely like to know what you guys think. I think it's beautiful. I definitely think it has a very sexy bedroom vibe to it. And now, as promised, here is a sneak peek at the next DIY video. Hey guys, this is day 2. I'm working on the shower curtain. I put a little hole right there so that I could see what I was doing. And there is the template essentially we are following. I did that exact same thing for the shower curtain. Essentially, I just shrunk it down and put it on the canvas. Okay.
You just made this beat.
I'm really stepping 10 toes down, it's a blessing. On my bag and we flexing. Got me feeling like Melly, Friday Melvin. Friday Melvin, demons inside, really stressing. And I'm goes and let's see. Yeah, I'm bad chasing.
And you guys, to see more designs, please visit my Pinterest at MyMDesigns. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye until next time.